User is depositing the capital to the PSM, PEG Stability Module, which is a smart contract maintaining part of the Sky protocol liquidity. The capital comes in the form of USDC or USDS, and PSM always provides opportunity to swap one-to-one with no slippage between those two assets. PSM can turn this capital into sUSDS, the yield-bearing version, and this is what we're talking about today. This capital goes through PSM to the Sky protocol, which is a set of decentralized smart contracts governed by the token holders. Sky protocol then provides this capital to the agent network in form of USDS loans. So we at Osero are one of those agents, but there are others. It's 5 of us, so Osero, Spark, Grove, Obex, and Keel. We take those loans and allocate them into different kind of venues, which later on gonna pay us interest. So what is actually the collateral composition? So big part is sitting in stablecoins, USDC mainly, earning the underlying T-bill yield. It's at 52%. Then the on-chain lending, it's structured only around the blue chip assets and their derivatives, so Bitcoin and ETH. Next, we got OTC lending. It's structured similar way, also with the same kind of assets, but here rather legal agreements are bonding and not the smart contracts. Then the T-bills. It's 14.5% of the collateral composition, and the underlying yield is coming from Janus Henderson and fund, as well as the BlackRock's Biddle. When it comes to corporate debt, AAA corporate debt, it's 4.5% of the allocation. And once again, we see Janus Henderson, JAAA, CLO fund, as well as securitized stack CLO fund. And then lastly, 2% in the bracket called others. Here we can see private credit and basis trade. So all of those allocations, after the agent network gonna allocate the money, gonna pay interest back to the agents, which need to pay the borrowing cost, so interest to the Sky protocol for the loan we've taken earlier. And this interest through PSM is accrued at the user level, who is holding sUSDS. So the yield-bearing token accruing in value, so everything is automatic, and only thing you need to do is to hold the asset.